To grow parsley at home, you will need the following: parsley seeds, potting mix, pots with drainage holes, water. Instructions: fill the pots with potting mix. Water the potting mix until it is moist but not soggy. Sow the parsley seeds on top of the potting mix and cover them with a thin layer of potting mix. Water the seeds gently. Place the pots in a warm, sunny location. Keep the potting mix moist, but not soggy. The parsley seeds should germinate within 7 to 10 days. Once the seedlings have emerged, thin them out so that there is only one seedling per pot. Continue to water the parsley plants regularly and fertilize them every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. The parsley plants should be ready to harvest in about 6 to 8 weeks. Here are some additional tips for growing parsley in pots. Use a good quality potting mix that is well draining. Water the parsley plants regularly, but be careful not to overwater them.